Humanity refers to caring for and helping others whenever and wherever possible. It means helping others at times when they need that help the most. It is important as it helps us forget our selfish interest at times when others need our help. All of us are capable of showing humanity. It can be through acknowledging that human beings are equal regardless of gender, sex, skin, color, or anything. We must all model genuine empathy and show gratitude to each other and express respect and humanity. When shall sorrow and pain cease? Many eyes have seen their eyes. Life a lost battle to human race. Why deal with us in this way, knowing that the journey is but once and you give us no chance to maximize our gift? I have traveled around, I have traveled round, but all I see is vanity. A world where love hates love, hatred loves hatred, and man to man in holy matrimony, women to women in lesbianism. This is vanity. And chasing after the wind. Why so much pains in little? Soon the chickens shall have teeth and the lizard will develop hair to torture humanity. Humans has filled the universe. Mankind had lost the battle to control the world. Lost and miserable are we in this dark forest, where mothers leave their children naked, and father, a kind, cruel man who thinks that a little love from him could be taken as a sign of weakness and he will be pushed to the ground. The swift never wins the race, nor the man of might wins the battle. Only grace support us all. Only grace. Single out those who are meant for grace. Mankind has lost the battle of control over the world. We chase after the wind. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. And yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumphs and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools, if you can make one heap of all your winnings, and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sin to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you Accept the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son.
Defeat, my defeat, my solitude and my aloofness. You are dearer to me than 1,000 triumphs, and suited to my heart than all world glory. Defeat, my defeat, my self-knowledge and my defiance. Through you, I know that I am yet young and swift of foot, and not to be trapped by withering laurels. And in you I have found aloneness and the joy of being shunned and scorned. Defeat, my defeat, my shining sword and shield. In your eyes I have read that to be enthroned is to be enslaved, and to be understood is to be leveled down, and to be grasped is but to reach one's full, and like a ripe fruit to fall and be consumed. Defeat, my defeat, my bold companion, you shall hear my songs and my cries and my silences, and none but you shall speak to me of the beating of wings, and urging of seas, and of mountains that burn in the night. And you alone shall climb my steep and rocky soul. Defeat, my defeat, my deathless courage. You and I shall walk together with the storm, and together we shall dig graves for all that die in us, and we shall stand in the sun with the wind, and we shall be dangerous.